get ready. Yesterday was hard. I went to a funeral. Yeah. But today should be better. Let's go. Today, but I will be filming shots of sunset today. I think maybe with my ring light. So I'm just cleaning up. I'm about to fix me a cup of coffee, and yeah. But I'm watching Montreal on DVD. As you can see, I only have 3 cases of it left. Let me show y'all. So I have seasons 7, 8, 9. I remember I used to love this, watch this show so much. So here's season 9, season 8, and season 7. Like, love this show. And oh yeah, I put it in my favorites video, but I forgot to show y'all. Yesterday got me a new mini fridge. You know, it was $29 at Walmart if y'all want to get it. As you can see, I put some water in here. Very cold, does the job. You can put 6 cans of soda in here, but as you can see, I'm using it for water. This water got really cold, so yeah, can't wait to have that for later on tonight. So now I don't have to keep getting water, but yeah, I'll see y'all later. Okay, so this is good, but I got the crawfish thinking I would like it, you know, because I've had it before, crawfish before. So I'm gonna have some shrimp coming soon. And it's like with the, I wish this looked as pretty as the picture, because like it didn't, but yeah. All right, everybody, so that is the vlog for today. In a future vlog, you can expect a Macy's haul and some other little things like I'll make sure I'll sprinkle it in, but that's all. That food was good, but I probably won't be getting it again because it was so spicy. Okay, like it's Cajun, yes. I've been dying to try this place for like a few months now. Got to try it. It was good. The prices are not bad. Like it was $20 or something. But yeah, too spicy. That's all. See y'all tomorrow. All right, so it's Monday. Hello. So I know I'm gonna have to empty out some more stuff on this phone. Gonna have 8 gigabytes of space, but have some chill time before I have to go do what I have to do. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm dressed. Now that I have someone special. Alright, y'all, so I'm actually about to take my graduation pics. I don't know if the school gonna need them, but I also wanted to take some for me because the graduation all the way in Ohio on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast. Of course, I'm not going, like that's too far, but I'm gonna attend a virtual graduation. If y'all didn't know, I have another associate's degree in teacher education. So yeah, y'all will get to see me in my cap and gown on June 5th. I'm saving the pictures on my phone till then, but yeah, y'all do not get to see the process or anything, okay? All right, everybody, so I'm about to watch a little Charmed, but before I do, I want to open this. I've been wanting to buy from her for a minute now. I finally got to buy something. So this is Sea Bunny Beauty. If you haven't checked her out, she's a YouTuber here on YouTube. She has wigs on sale now. She has lashes, face mask, and did I say lashes? Yeah, but she has all this stuff on sale. So let me show you what I got. I do have another order from her coming, and unfortunately I ain't gonna apply it. It's a wig, but I ain't gonna apply it because my hair still look good. But when my hair start looking back a mess, I will definitely show it to y'all. So this is the packaging. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So, okay, here's the mask. It says wild and free. That was so cute. It's very simple and cute. Like so. And it's really cute. So you put it on like so. It's really cute. Okay, there you go, like that. And then got me these. These lashes right here. It says compassionate, and oh my goodness, they're so cute. I've never had some like these. They are very, very cute. But yeah, go check her out. So everybody, it's Tuesday. Okay, we're gonna go do this grocery shopping. Maybe go do something else today. Oh, I got some pants for $89. I gotta show you. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some lash glue. I was gonna put some lashes on later. Dang, no worries at $7. I got that one $2 at the 99-cent store. That's wild. Yep, $7. Crazy. Nope, I'm good. Golden. 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 Score. Another one. Had to pack it up with the gum. This is McDonald's. Yeah, my case is on. How do I turn it off? Again, they're Sea Bunny lashes. I'll definitely put her website in the description if y'all want to check them out. Right now, she has a sale on her lashes for $5. If I could, I would buy some more, but I'm done for right now. I'm done. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed everything. I know this vlog was a little different than the others, probably a little more fun. I'm sorry half of it was on the road, but hey, it wasn't there for a happy occasion the first day, and second day kind of was just there for the hair and moved on. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the vlogs will continue in June. Next week I think I'm just gonna put up the TV show reviews, and I might do 2 worst to best, just to move it along on the list. But yeah, I will see y'all next time.